Now that winter is coming and the cold weather is here already, it's time to make door draft noodles or door draft stoppers. I made this out of ordinary pool noodles that I got from this dollar store 2 or 3 years ago. They've been in my craft closet, and this material is pleather. I suggest going with vinyl because it's more sturdy, but this pleather is durable and it works just as well. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to show you how to make one of these because I'm going to make one for my office. This is to the workout room and Ava's room connected. Just put it down on the floor. And close. And we have a draft stopper. Not only does it stop drafts, it stops critters from coming in. Yesterday when I went into my office, I heard a stink bug, and it could have only got through there from under the door because I don't have windows that open. How easy it opens and closes. The tools you will need: pool noodles, fabric, glue. I'm using E6000, and with glue that strong, you want to use a mask because the fumes are great. If you don't want to use a mask, or if you want more air, go outside and use the glue. Or you might want to use craft glue, Elmer's glue, Gorilla Glue. But this is glue I have on hand, and I'm going to use it. First, measure the length of the fabric and noodle. Mark it. Don't do like I did and cut out the width first of the door because I have no room to glue the noodles on. So that's a piece of fabric. It's pretty much wasted unless I find something else to do with it. So measure the length of the noodle and the fabric. Place the noodles so that you can have enough width for it to fit on the door after they're glued. Next step, glue each noodle. Let me put my mask on. It's a tight mask. Okay. Glue each noodle a long ways, a straight line, all the way down. And I do a second line just to make sure it's secure. So now that you have your first strip glued down, measure the width of the door to ensure it's accurate. My measurement was 1 6/16. And glue that one in that space. So gonna be a tight, accurate fit. Let both strips dry. And then cut out about a 1/2 inch on both sides. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to cut the project out. And if you find that it's too long, you can always adjust it once you get to the door you're going to place it under. Okay, I'm in my office. Let's see if this fits.